Okay, here's today's Boson ExSim practice question. You issue the show IP OSPF interface fast Ethernet 01 command on router 1 and receive the following output. Here is the output of the command, and here's the question. Which of the following statements is correct? Select the best answer. Okay, pause the video now. Read each of the statements and select the best answer. Okay, let's check. So I believe the correct answer is D. First, let me explain the incorrect options, and then I'll go on to D. First up, A says router 1 is the DR for the segment. Well, it says right here, router 1 state is DR other, so that's incorrect. B, router 1 is connected to a point-to-multipoint network. It says here that the network type is broadcast, so that's incorrect. C, router 1 is configured with incorrect timer settings. You can see the timers here, they are the defaults. Also, router 1 has 5 OSPF neighbors, so I don't think there is any problem with router 1's timer settings. E, the BDR has a priority higher than 50. You can see here that router 1's priority is 50, and it's a DR other. But the BDR doesn't necessarily have a priority higher than 50. It might have the same priority as router 1, 50, but a higher router ID. So E is incorrect. Now, why do I think D is correct? The key to this question is knowing the difference between an OSPF neighbor and adjacency. Sometimes those words are used to mean the same thing, but technically speaking, in OSPF they are different.